How to apply for Amazon Flex driver. This is basically the sign up process. Now, this is really simple. To apply for the Amazon Flex, all you have to do is to go ahead and download the Amazon Flex app on your Android or iPhone devices. Then you can just go ahead and follow the steps to register for an account and complete a background check. Now that's all you have to do to basically go ahead and download the app, click on sign up, and from there it will take you to the registration page. Now, the requirements to apply for this specific job right here is to be at least 18 years old for the two-wheelers or 20 years old for the three-wheelers. You have to live in a city where the Amazon Flex operates. Now, another requirement is going to be having a two-wheeler or a three-wheeler vehicle. You might be placed on a waiting list until Amazon Flex starts onboarding more delivery drivers in your area. Amazon Flex usually onboards more drivers during the busy summer and winter months. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.